it's Mark from Dingle Dangle Baby. We thought we'd put a quick demonstration video together on how to use the Dingle Dangle set. Number one, the nappy changing helper. Grab your sensory stick and your headband. For best use, to get the best results, place the corduroy and coral end into the headband, twist until tight and make sure that's secure. Fasten the headband over your head and really try and get it as tight as possible and position it on the brow of your head, and that will give you the arch that you're looking for. Grab your octopus, use the star cap, place on the other side of the sensory stick and twist until tight, and again check that that's secure. And there you have a hands-free nappy changing helper. To release, undo the star cap by twisting in the opposite direction, and again the same with the sensory stick. Number two, the portable mobile. Grab your claw out of your bag, turn the ring anti-clockwise to release the legs, place on top of the object that you wish to secure to, tighten clockwise until that is tight and secure. Grab your sensory stick, again for best results use the corduroy coral end, and place on top of the claw, twist until tight and secure. Grab your octopus, place the star cap on the other end of the sensory stick, twist until that is tight and secure, and bend to the desired angle. To release, just turn in the opposite direction on the octopus and on the sensory stick. Number three, the rattle. Grab your pufferfish and your sensory stick and just place the end caps by twisting and securing each end until you form the rattle. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the Dingle Dangle.